How to install the garage door threshold. The garage door threshold has been designed to fit tightly against your new age floors. Be sure to clean the area from any dirt or water. This will help to form a tight seal once the threshold is installed. Step 1. Unbox your new age garage door threshold. Step 2. Determine the required length of garage threshold by measuring the length of garage door entrance. Step 3. Cut the garage threshold to the required length using a utility knife. Step 4. Position the threshold against the floor and using a pencil or chalk, mark the position of the threshold. Make sure your floors have been installed up to your garage door to ensure the threshold gets installed properly. Step 5. Position threshold and measure the far side to ensure proper spacing. Step 6. Remove the threshold and evenly apply 3 rows of adhesive along the full length of the door between the markings. Step 7. Carefully position the threshold. Firmly press the door seal into position. Step 8. Wipe off the excessive adhesive at the corners with a clean cloth. Step 9. Close the garage door to keep constant pressure on the threshold for 24 hours.